In today's video, I am going to teach you how to see who likes and follows a Facebook business page. To begin, make sure you are already logged into facebook.com. From there, go to the left side navigation menu and open your Facebook business page. This will take you to the main view of your page, where you can access the tools and sections related to your audience. Once your business page is open, look near the top of the page for the Followers tab. In some page layouts, this tab will appear right away. If you do not see it, click the More option to reveal additional sections, and then select Followers from that menu. This will open the follower area for your page. Inside the Followers section, you will usually see the total number of followers for your business page. This gives you a quick view of how many people are currently following your content and updates. Take a moment to review that number if you want a simple count of your audience. Next, scroll through the Followers section and check any follower information that Meta makes available for your page. Depending on your page settings and the current Facebook interface, you may see limited details here. It is important to understand that Facebook and Meta have changed how this information is displayed over time. At this point, keep in mind that Meta no longer provides a complete public list of every person who likes or follows a Facebook business page. That means you may not be able to view the full names of all followers or everyone who has liked the page in the way that was possible in earlier versions of Facebook. What you can access now is usually more limited and may vary based on account type, region, and page setup. If your goal is to understand your audience better, the best option is to use the built-in analytics tools. Go to the Professional Dashboard or open Meta Business Suite. From there, open Insights. In the Insights section, you can view useful audience data such as follower growth, trends over time, demographics, reach, and other performance details. This information is often more helpful for managing a business page than trying to find individual follower names. Using these tools will help you track how your page is growing and give you a clearer picture of the people engaging with your content. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.